Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have come and I'm gonna show you the secret of smooth and silky hair, and it will definitely gonna help you to for your hair growth. And if you have a problems of hair fall, everything, you can deal with this, and it will give you an amazing volume and amazing silky smooth hair. So that's a secret, but I'm gonna share it with you guys. Okay, so for that, I'll show you what you need. So I'll show you. No more suspense. I am gonna tell you what's this. This you gotta do is you have to soak some rice and some onions in the vessel only, both together, and when you soak overnight. And what happens, what you want to do is you have to clean that, you have to throw that rice and that onion, you have to just remove the water from this is rice water and onion water together. So this is the secret, guys, and it really works. I have already tried this day before yesterday. So you can do it, you can use this, you can apply this treatment twice a week, and it is really helpful. So without wasting time, or without wasting your time that I'm gonna try this first time, it's not like that. I have already tried this, so that's why I have come up with a video for you guys, that it really works. I mean, trust me, not I mean, I have tried everything, but this really works, and that's for sure. So without wasting time, let's get started. I'll show you how to apply this. You have to apply this, make sure that your entire scalp, your all the hairs are covered with this water, and you have to wait for like 30-35 minutes. Just keep it. And people say, I mean, usually it is like you can wash it directly with water, but just to ignore, just to avoid the smell of the onion, you can use little bit of shampoo, but you don't need to use conditioner, because this is already a conditioner. You can use little bit of normal daily shampoo which you use to just avoid the smell, because this smell really stings and it remains on your hair. So just to avoid that, and surely if you like this, guys, do comment. And this is really gonna work, trust me. And I hope you should try it, and I wish you should try this at least once. So I'll show you how to apply this. Okay, usually people use the spray, you can use spray, but I'm gonna apply this normally only, like a water. Okay, see, I have a little this spray. I'll try to put it in the spray first. So guys, you have seen this, I have applied this. So entirely scalp, or all the scalp, my entire scalp is covered, and my all hairs are covered. So the remaining, I'm gonna put it. I have this spray. If you have the more storage of if you have big spray bottle which is left, I mean it's over with any spray, so you can use that. I have this one, so I'm gonna put still. I'll apply what all parts which is left. Guys, trust me, it really works. And this is my natural face. Okay, so no editing, nothing. I'll give you one more secret, I'll show you. I thought I'll reveal all the secrets today. So I'll give you one more secret of my skin. I have not applied anything on my skin. It's natural. I have made one night cream, night gel, you can say, at home, which I have been using since 10 days, and it really works. Trust me, guys. You have to just do that. You have to apply that before sleeping, and you have to just wash it in the morning with normal water, and this is it. I'll give you that recipe also. That thing also, that how to make that. So guys, see, you have seen I have applied this. Now I have to wait for 30 minutes. Wait for 30 minutes and just wash it with normal water. I swear, guys, you're gonna get shocked when you touch your hair after that. During the time when you wash, it is amazing and it will give you amazing results. So guys, stay tuned. I'll come up and I'll show you how to make a night gel also. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Hello guys, as I told you that I'm gonna show you my secret of my skin also. So I kept my promise. So I'm gonna show you that how to make a night gel. So for that you only need two things. That is, first is aloe vera gel as usual, and coffee. So what you're gonna do is put some little bit of coffee. For example, you can store it also, it depends, but I make every night. I make new gel. I take little bit. So I have, just to show you, I have taken this, a pinch of coffee, you can say. So in this I'm gonna put a pinch. For example, you have taken a pinch of coffee, so you're gonna add this double of this. So guys, you can see I have now mix this well. Mix this well. Make sure that you mix this well. So guys, now this looks like this. Okay, so I'll show you. I'm not gonna apply on my face because I have already applied last night. So I'm gonna apply in the night. So guys, you have to apply this like this. Make sure you keep on applying till the time your skin doesn't take it. See, doesn't get dissolved on your skin. See, you have to apply like this. Take some on your face. It's a face gel, okay? If you want to apply, you wish to apply on your body, it's okay, but I would not suggest you to apply on your entire body. It's a face gel, during night. So once you get up, see guys, becomes soft. So once you get up in the morning, you have to just wash it with normal water. You don't have to use any face wash. Face wash, you can use it, but especially when you want to see the results, you have to see first time, second time you won't get it. I am using it for last 10 days. It's been 10 days now. I'm using this every night. So you're gonna get the result. Not in 1 or 2 times. You have to use this regularly, and it is gonna work on your skin, and it's really nice. I hope this is my second secret for my skin. Hair I have showed you already. So guys, do try this. So I hope you like this video, and definitely I want you to subscribe to my channel. It's down. And please like this video, share this video, and comment this video, guys. And I'm coming up something new every time for you guys, that I want you to take care of yourself and pamper yourself. So guys, please do that. And till then, I'll wait for 30 minutes, and I'll show you the results after I wash my hair. So till then, bye bye, stay tuned. So guys, I have washed my hair. So this is the result. You can see. So guys, I hope you like this video, share this video, and comment this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.